about to break out the joints. Here we go. It's a nice sized joint right here. It's about maybe like a gram, 1.2 exact. And it's thick. Alright, here we go. Tastes good too. Tastes like cereal, fruit cereal. Oh, it's a lightning bug. Have you guys heard that lightning bugs are going extinct? Yeah, some guy, or my friend at work, told me that lightning bugs are going extinct. And, you know, I never, noticed that until now. After he told me, there isn't a lot of lightning bugs out. Have you guys noticed that? That there's not that many lightning bugs out anymore. Kind of sad because I love lightning bugs. Oh look, there's one right there. Wait, can you see in the camera? Look. I think he wants to get high. Oh shit, he's mad now. Shit, I hope I didn't fuck him up. Sorry, I'm not trying to, you know, hurt animals. I'm not animal cruelty or anything like that. I'm just out here in nature, enjoying the beautiful view. I love being out in nature. Figure, what was that noise? Alright. Anyways. People walking by. Shit, I hope they don't see me. Yeah, I'm smoking this beautiful joint out in nature. Oh yeah. This is nice. You know, I just love the sound of nature. Nothing beats it. It's just so soothing for the soul. It really is. Especially the joint. And another well done roll joint by me, of course. This joint really is really top tier right here. Excellent joint. Look at that smoke trail. It's beautiful. Trying to do little O's. Oh shit, another firefly is coming near me. I think it wants to get high. See, I told you, they love smoking weed. They're coming around me. They probably all want to get high. Shit. Hope there's not any deer flies. Fuck those things. Have you guys gotten bit by one of those things before? The deer flies, I feel like, are worse than horse flies because they're smaller and they're faster. And their bite pretty much feels like a damn fucking horsefly. So you might as well get bit by a horsefly instead, because at least you have a better chance with a horsefly because they're bigger and they're easy to swat at and they're not as fast. Fucking these deer flies, they're like house flies. These little fuckers be swarming around. And the worst part is that they go towards your head and your, basically your whole upper body. Man. Yeah, I gotta put this shit out, man. I ain't getting toasty. Let's see if you guys can see my eyes or not. I am pretty toasty. I'm gonna put this out, and then I'm gonna take like 1 or 2 more hits. Thing about joints is you never want to put them out. Like, they just hit so smooth, and the weed usually takes a little longer for it to hit. Like, usually takes a little bit longer than like after you're done hitting the joint to actually hit you. So you, most of the time, you smoke more than you intend to, because you always, you know, you don't feel it right away. But after like 5 minutes, after you've hit your last hit off the joint, that's when it fully kicks in. So if any of you like are trying to go out in nature and smoke like I am, just remember that always gauge how you're smoking based off of how you're gonna feel 5 minutes later. If you think like, okay, I'm not quite too high, but I'm almost there. If I smoke this for 5 more minutes, then I'll be there. Just stop right there, because remember, weed takes around 5 minutes after your last hit to fully kick in. So that's my cue right now to put this out. I'm gonna take 1 more hit and I'm done. And of course, I gotta do a big hit because it's my last hit. Now I put this away. First, I just realized there's a pill in here that I gotta take out. It's a little ibuprofen, you know, for those headaches. Put this away. Now I literally just put it in here. This right here, as soon as I seal it, the joint should go out. Usually should go out within like 5 seconds, I would say. As you can tell, it is out because it's not burning. It's completely out. All I had to do is just shut this cap fully, and it creates a seal so there's no airflow going through. And if there's no air, well, the joint basically goes out. Now I'll take it out. Ooh, there's a lot of smoke coming out though. From you know, right, it's a little smoky. And now it's out, see? Nothing. Now I'll put my little Tylenol back in there. And there we go. It's been a successful smoke session out in nature. Beautiful view. See how my eyes looking. See, it hasn't fully kicked in yet. I guarantee in about 2 minutes, my eyes are gonna be pretty bloodshot. It's about 1 minute later. My eyes are already getting a little more glossier. Now it's been 2 minutes. My eyes look almost the same. I got my drinky drink. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty good, but not too high yet. I'm walking down the street and I'm trying to figure out what the hell this bitch is doing. What is she doing? I don't know. But by the way, it's been 4 minutes. My eyes look busted. Having fun. There you have it. It's been 5 minutes, and honestly, my eyes aren't that much more redder, but I feel a lot more higher. And that's why you always wait 5 minutes later, and then you get